Hello and welcome back to my channel, you beautiful people of YouTube. So today I have got an unboxing for you guys, which you see right in front of you. This is the Beyerdynamic DT1990 Pro, and I want to give a huge shout out to Beyerdynamic for actually sending me a pair to review. And this is a great thing to do for them, for me as well, because as of this moment I only have 150 subscribers, and for a big company like Beyerdynamic to be sending their products out to literally nobody is a very generous thing, and I thank Beyerdynamic for that. They're awesome. The other thing I want to say is that even though I did not buy this as of yet, excuse the motorcycle, everything I'm going to say in the full review and in the unboxing for that matter as well is honest truth about how I see this headphone. This is the first product on this channel ever that I have not bought with my own money, that a company has sent me. So don't you worry guys, I'm not going to change my opinion just because Beyerdynamic sent me or anybody. In the future I'll never say dishonest things. I'm a media and journalism student, so the quality of journalism is going down these days, so I take a stand. I will only say what I feel. I might be wrong, I might be misinformed, but I'll never be dishonest to you guys. Okay, so got that out of the way. Took 2 minutes. Let's go and unbox this beauty. And as you guys can see, it is kind of the same box that my DT880 came in, and kind of similar. On the side it has all the dimensions, all the specifications and everything what is inside the box. Another picture on the other side, and in this side they say open back design, maximum wearing comfort, do 2 sound settings, which they are referring to the 2 pads that they actually supply, and durable construction. Now moving forward with this, I don't even know if you're gonna need the buoy tonight. This is the booklet kind of thing that you're gonna see if you end up buying these. I don't even know what they call it. Pamphlet? No, not pamphlet. Okay, so the case that comes with these headphones is definitely way better than the case that came with my DT880. And here are the booklets on the back of it. We don't need it. Warranty information, whatever. This is the correct side of our camera. Beyerdynamic professional audio. Dun, ta-da! Okay, so this is the headphone. We'll get back to that later. I think they have come with the balance pad, and these are the analytical. I don't even know how to tell which ones are which. I'll have to figure that out. Might be you could tell them with the notches. Let's move the headphone away. This headphone is not as light as some of the other Beyerdynamic headphones I have come across. This is the standard coiled cable. Whoa. Look at this jack. This is the strongest jack I have ever come across. Just screams quality. This too. Let's see what the other cable is all about. So they have actually supplied 2 of these 6.35, which we also call as the 1/4 inch adapter. I really like the quality of this thing, to be honest. I'll pretty much be using the coiled cable. Now let's unwrap the big one first. Nothing else in the pouch. It is detachable, not completely, but it will stick down like that. I don't want to damage this thing because I have to send it back. We had the same problem in the other DT1990 review. The boy is too damn big. Gotta bring out the smaller knife. Don't be dumb. Don't cut yourself. You are on YouTube. Your grandkids will be seeing their grandpa cut himself trying to open a Beyerdynamic headphone. Okay, so I guess this is the studio cable actually. More than 6 feet, about 9 or 10 feet I guess. Quality cable as well. A little janky, to be honest. Not janky, it's curled up. Okay, so you go in that way, and ta-da! There you got it. Let's move the case so you guys can actually see the headphone. There it is, the Beyerdynamic DT1990. And to be honest with you guys, I have seen some unboxing videos and reviews of this guy, and it looks gorgeous in pictures, but in reality it is even more gorgeous than the pictures. I mean, I thought it would be built similarly as my DT1990, which is I bought the updated build, but it is like another notch, not even one notch up. It might be like 5 or 6 notches up. I have never, in all those trade shows and everything, and I have heard DT1990 at the trade show as well, but I have never held a headphone because I didn't pay attention at the audio shows. I have never held a headphone, and I have held a lot of headphones that was built as well as this headphone right here. Words cannot describe how quality this headphone is. You really cannot. It is a work of art, to be honest. You could literally beat someone up with this and it will still be working just fine. The only issue I think build wise is that this wire is sticking out, and this is generally not a good thing, but I can see why they did it, and I don't think it will be a big issue. Let me put these on my head. Oh wow, very comfortable, very comfortable. For a headphone that has weight, these are very comfortable. Okay, so This is the video for the DT1990 Pro. Now obviously I'm too eager to actually play them. They have been sitting here for last couple days. I just couldn't get myself to make the video because I was busy. Finally I have them, and let's see what kind of, let's see if they sound as well as they look. Just from the build quality alone, I think they are worth the price, because I have seen headphones that are worth $4,000 that are not as well built as this thing right here. This mechanism feels solid. Smells like fresh leather or paint. I don't know. My sense of smell is not good as my sense of hearing. Yeah. So I'll see you guys later. The review will come out within 1 month, because I have a timeline, so you guys won't have to wait too long for the review of the Beyerdynamic DT1990. Let me give you guys some close-up angles of this headphone. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell how premium this headphone actually feels. Alright, that will be it for today, guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Please subscribe to my channel and have a great weekend. Happy holidays.